So how do you install games from Dodi Repack? How do you add optional files to it? What is the whole installation process? Okay, so first of all, I've picked two games for you as examples. In one of them, you will find an English language file, and in the second one, you will not. I've searched through many games and found that in most of them there is no separate English file, because most of these games are already in English by default, so they don't include one. So how do you check this? Let me explain. You need to run the setup and click Yes. In this setup, you need to select the option using your keyboard, press the Up button to navigate, then click Install. From there, you select the installation location and proceed. Now in this first game, you can see that there is an English language file and a bonus content file available on the screen. You can choose to install them here. However, keep in mind that if you install the game without selecting the English file and you notice an audio issue later, for example, your character is speaking but the subtitles are missing, that's because you skipped it. But if you do need to add it, you can select it here during installation. If you've already installed the game without it, there's no way to add it afterward without reinstalling. Now let's look at the second game, Ride 5. You'll notice that in this game, the language selection page we saw in the first game is completely missing. There is no page to select a language or install bonus content, just the main files. So you simply click Install and the game starts installing right away. There's nothing extra to select. Regarding Windows Defender, you don't need to add anything to exclusions. You can install the game directly without any issues. The setup won't interfere with Defender. Let me summarize the full installation process one more time. Run the setup, click Install, click Proceed, and then select the drive where you want to install the game. I recommend using an SSD. In my case, my C drive is an SSD, so I install there. The game might show around 80 gigabytes of required space, but I recommend having about 20 gigabytes extra free space on top of that. This is because during installation, the files temporarily expand and then compress back to their final size. Also, make sure to uncheck the DirectX option since it's likely already installed on your computer. Keep everything else checked, then click Next and Install. Your game will start installing. That covers the entire Dodi Repack installation process, from running the setup to choosing your location and understanding optional files. One more tip. Installing on an HDD will take more time, while installing on an SSD will be noticeably faster. Our watch time is cleared. That milestone is done. The only thing left now is subscribers, and we are so close. If this video helped you today, just hit that subscribe button right now. 2 seconds of your time means everything to this channel. You have already watched this far, which means you already know what we do here. So just make it official. We are almost there. Let's finish this together.